Hello, business partners. So there are some few things that I forgot to mention in one of the lives that I did regarding why content creators are not making money on YouTube. And I gave some few reasons, but there are some very important reasons that I also forgot to mention in that particular live that I would like to deal with here. So, some of the reasons why YouTubers are not making money, the most important one I think is creating content for themselves when in fact they should be creating content for what people are searching for on YouTube. If you go to the YouTube search bar, you will see all kinds of keywords that are being typed in because of a certain information somebody typed looking for. Maybe if you're a baker, how to make a sponge cake. You will see a variety of what you call these results after they have clicked how to bake a sponge cake. And then if you are a baker, you can literally copy all of those options that pop as well from the search bar because that is exactly what people are searching for. So now, if you're a baker and you are just baking croissants for that matter, and not many people understand what croissants are, what is the purpose of croissants, how to make the croissants, and things like that. Unfortunately, as a result of that, you do not get audience retention once people have clicked and start watching your video. They just drop off your video because they don't understand how, number one, to create pastry foundations and things like that. And there you are teaching them, or maybe you are making croissants, something maybe it's not even a traditional meal in Africa or in outside of francophone countries on the African continent. Or maybe you want to talk about health and fitness and you show maybe some kinds of food preps, and all you are doing there is just showing us vegetables. Or you are talking about vegan diet, or you are talking about vegetarian diet. And then maybe your target market is not people who are interested in cutting off meat from their diet, even though they are on a weight loss journey or fitness journey or whatever the case might be under fitness. So it's very important that when you are creating a video, create a video that people are searching for. And the best research tool is YouTube itself. Go to the YouTube search bar and you can type from A to Z. You will see what people are basically searching on YouTube. Turn that into a video. And as a result of that, if you are monetized, that's when you will see yourself making money because tons and tons and tons of views are going to be flocking to your YouTube video, watching from the beginning to the end, and you make money. Another reason why some content creators are not making money on YouTube is because they are not creating content for viewers. They are creating content to be noticed by brands. So if you are going to just focus on product reviews, but we don't show us the human factor and the human emotions of your videos, then you are going to lose people, especially now that the influencer world is falling apart. People are no longer trusting in influencers. And here you are creating videos because you want to be an influencer, something that is dying, that is being counterproductive. Rather create videos for people, for what they were searching for on YouTube. Eventually you may get noticed by a brand because you are speaking about a specific topic. Maybe they may have a service or a product that they would like to place in front of your audience, and then you are able to negotiate these big deals with those brands. And the other reason that I've also noticed, and every time when I do, I always shake my head and say, why? But why you do this to yourself? Where you are not behaving like an established celebrity, then remembering that you are just a YouTuber. In most cases, your success is because of the people that come and watch your videos. So if you are not going to engage with your audience, like going in the comment section and answering the comments, you must understand something, that people, when they come to your videos, they are using, number one, their time that they will never get back. Number two is their data that they'll never get back. And number three, probably they already fallen in love with you and the thing is not mutual. It's just you getting all the fanship that you are getting, and then from there you do not reciprocate this feeling by just commenting back on the comments. Do you understand how important a comment is to the viewer, especially when their favorite YouTuber is commenting back on their comment? Think of yourself when a big YouTuber, before you became a YouTuber, and then you will make a comment, and that YouTuber that you like commented back at your comment. How that made you feel? How so quickly did you forget that that feeling also felt by other people when they comment on your videos? So don't act like a celebrity, because it takes people. As a matter of fact, it takes one person to have you cancelled. And then people start talking about you, and then they'll start unsubscribing or stop watching you altogether. Why? Because you do not participate when they participate or when they are engaging you. So it's important that you engage back. I understand that you cannot answer to all the comments, because sometimes I know they come thick and fast and you cannot answer to all those comments. Other than that, just be humble and answer. Maybe take an hour after uploading a video and answer to as many as you can. Give them a heart, like, and then leave a small appreciative comment. Trust and believe me, that will build you. Probably this is the final one, and very important. You are a brand. Some YouTubers, they forget that they are a brand, and they find themselves engaging in wars on YouTube that they should not be engaging themselves in. Leave that to your followers or your subscribers. You must not engage in those, because no brand and no company that will want to associate themselves with your kind if you are fighting with other content creators on YouTube. You are they would consider you as like high risk type of content creator, and you will always wonder, why am I not making money on YouTube through brands? Simply because your personality is too out there and it's fighting everybody. For example, you get a negative comment on your comment section, and suddenly you get off at people in a certain way that brands may say, she participate or he participate too much in this negativity. So guard your brand. I always say your face is your brand, your voice is your brand. How you also present yourself in front of your camera is your personal brand. So take care of your personal brand, and you will see yourself making a lot of money. Sometimes as well, you will get people that come across your YouTube videos. They watch a couple of videos before they subscribe and say, I like this content creator. Why? Because you are defending and protecting and also enhancing your personal brand to anybody that comes across your YouTube videos. So please do not make the mistake of ignoring your personal brand. I know sometimes it gets rough on the streets and you get tempted to say something in return, but just be careful. Remember, every time that you are a brand, think of Beyonce. Why Beyonce, whenever people come attacking at her, she never responds? Has anybody ever seen Beyonce responding to any negativity, even positive comments sometimes? Oh, she's Beyonce. That's why, she gets hundreds and millions of comments. So of course she's not going to answer to each and every one of them. Even the people that she may hire to answer to or respond to her comments, they will not be able to. But the point that I'm trying to make is, when she comes on interviews and then she is addressed about negativities, she never responds to that. Why? Because she's protecting her personal brand. So do the same thing, or use her principles in how to defend, protect, and enhance your personal brand. Or maybe come up with your own way of protecting, defending, as well as enhancing your personal brand. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So those are the things that I had forgotten to mention in the live the last time. So I thought, let me put this in a video. Of course, it looks like there are going to be videos like this one where I may say something on the live stream and I will forget some few points to mention to you. Then I'll just compact them into a video, so that you still get the assistance that you need in building your YouTube career, if it's a career that you are trying to build, or making money on YouTube. Very important, because we are all about making money, guys. We are all about making money, because the economy right now is not creating jobs. That's the fact. And we have YouTube, and YouTube, I don't think it's going to be here forever. So while it's still here, we need to do all that we can to make money out of the platform.